Welcome back, beautiful people. Today, we're diving into the world of long barrel curling irons, essential tools for achieving those flawless curls and waves. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one for your hair? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be reviewing 5 top-notch long barrel curling irons, breaking down their key features, benefits, usability, and durability, so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started! At number 1 position, we have Blackhead Round Barrel Curling Wand. First up, we have the Blackhead Round Barrel Curling Wand, a favorite among hairstylists and beauty enthusiasts alike. This wand features a sleek design with a tapered barrel, allowing for versatile styling options and effortless curls. Key features. The Blackhead Curling Wand boasts a ceramic tourmaline barrel that ensures even heat distribution, reducing frizz and maximizing shine. With a temperature range of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a rapid heat-up time, you can achieve salon-quality results in minutes. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to bouncy, voluminous curls. Whether you're aiming for tight ringlets or loose waves, this curling wand delivers long-lasting results without damaging your locks. Simply wrap small sections of hair around the barrel, hold for a few seconds, and release for gorgeous curls that last all day. Usability. Thanks to its lightweight and ergonomic design, the Blackhead Curling Wand is easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced stylists. The swivel cord ensures tangle-free styling, while the cool tip provides added safety during use. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, this curling wand is built to last, withstanding daily wear and tear without compromising performance. Whether you're styling your hair for a special occasion or everyday glam, the Blackhead Curling Wand is a reliable choice that won't let you down. Moving on to the next at number 2 with T3 Long Barrel Curling Iron. Next on our list is the T3 Long Barrel Curling Iron, a premium styling tool renowned for its advanced technology and impeccable results. Designed with precision in mind, this curling iron takes your hair game to the next level. Key features. The T3 curling iron features a tourmaline ceramic barrel infused with digital T3 single-pass technology, ensuring consistent heat throughout the styling process. With customizable temperature settings and an intuitive interface, you have full control over your styling experience. Benefits and usage. Experience salon-worthy curls without the salon price tag. Whether you have fine, thick, or unruly hair, this curling iron delivers flawless results with minimal effort. The long barrel design allows for larger sections of hair to be styled at once, saving you time without sacrificing quality. Usability. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision styling. The T3 curling iron is equipped with an ergonomic handle and intuitive controls, making it easy to create a variety of looks with ease. Plus, the auto shutoff feature provides added peace of mind, so you can focus on perfecting your curls without any worries. Durability. Crafted with premium materials and backed by T3's renowned quality, this curling iron is built to withstand the test of time. From everyday styling to special occasions, you can trust that the T3 Long Barrel Curling Iron will deliver consistent results, time and time again. The number 3 position is held by BIO Ionic Long Barrel Styler. Moving along, we have the BIO Ionic Long Barrel Styler, a game changer in the world of hairstyling. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, this styler is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Key features. The BIO Ionic Styler features a long barrel infused with natural volcanic rock minerals, which emit negative ions to eliminate frizz and enhance shine. The adjustable temperature settings allow for customizable styling, while the ergonomic handle provides maximum comfort and control. Benefits and usage. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're aiming for sleek, straight locks or voluminous curls, this styler has you covered. The long barrel design allows for versatile styling options, while the rapid heat-up time ensures quick and efficient results. Usability. Say goodbye to heat damage and hello to healthy, beautiful hair. The BIO Ionic Styler is designed with your hair's health in mind, minimizing exposure to heat while maximizing styling potential. The lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver, whether you're a seasoned pro or a styling novice. Durability. Built to last and backed by BioIonic's reputation for quality, this styler is a worthy investment for any beauty enthusiast. From everyday styling to special occasions, you can trust that the BioIonic Long Barrel Styler will deliver flawless results time and time again. Next, at number 4, we have Babyliss PRO Extended Barrel Curling Iron. Now let's talk about the Babyliss PRO Extended Barrel Curling Iron, a powerhouse in the world of hairstyling. Known for its professional-grade performance and innovative features, this curling iron is a game changer for achieving salon-quality results at home. Key features. The Babyliss PRO curling iron features an extended barrel design, allowing for effortless styling of long hair and extensions. With titanium ceramic technology and multiple heat settings, you can customize your styling experience to suit your hair type and desired look. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair and hello to gorgeous, voluminous curls. Whether you're going for a sleek and polished look or beachy waves, this curling iron delivers impeccable results with minimal effort. The extended barrel design provides greater control and precision, ensuring flawless curls every time. Usability. Experience salon-quality styling from the comfort of your own home. The Babyliss PRO curling iron is designed with user-friendly features, including an ergonomic handle and intuitive controls, making it suitable for stylists of all skill levels. Plus, the long-lasting results mean you can enjoy beautiful curls that last all day long. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials and built to withstand daily use, this curling iron is a reliable companion for all your styling needs. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or simply want to elevate your everyday look, you can trust that the Babyliss PRO Extended Barrel Curling Iron will deliver consistent, long-lasting results. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Boirer 3 Barrel Curling Iron. Last but certainly not least, we have the Boirer 3 Barrel Curling Iron, a unique styling tool that's perfect for creating effortless, beachy waves. With its innovative design and user-friendly features, this curling iron is a game changer for achieving that coveted tousled look. Key features. The Boirer curling iron features 3 ceramic barrels that work together to create natural-looking waves with ease. With adjustable temperature settings and a fast heat-up time, you can achieve salon-worthy results in minutes without any fuss or hassle. Benefits and usage. Get ready to channel your inner beach, babe! Whether you're heading to the beach or simply want to add some texture to your hair, this curling iron has you covered. The triple barrel design allows for quick and efficient styling, while the ergonomic handle provides maximum comfort and control. Usability. Say goodbye to complicated styling techniques and hello to effortless waves. The Boirer curling iron is designed with simplicity in mind, making it suitable for beginners and experienced stylists alike. Plus, the lightweight and compact design make it perfect for travel, so you can achieve perfect beachy waves wherever you go. Durability. Built to last and backed by Boirer's reputation for quality, this curling iron is a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Whether you're rocking beachy waves or sleek curls, you can trust that the Boirer 3 Barrel Curling Iron will deliver consistent, long-lasting results every time. And there you have it, folks. 5 top-notch long barrel curling irons, each offering its own unique features and benefits. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a styling newbie, there's a curling iron on this list to suit your needs. So go ahead, invest in your hair, and get ready to slay those curls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pro tips and reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!